There we go. Yeah, it worked. Oh, nice little brownie. Another one. Nice. It is a fishing frenzy. Yep, that worked. There we go. Nice. Can't even see it. Oh, yes. Perseverance. Last night was so good. Was so good. Even though the water levels are low, the fish are hungry, the water temps are cool, and yeah, it was just an amazing day on the water. Let's see if I can get through this. Ooh, trying to get through that little skinny spot right there. But yeah, I decided to come back down to see if maybe lightning would strike twice. But the caddisfly hatch was on yesterday, and of course, the most effective fly in fly fishing, right? Doing the old the worm under an indicator. Man, that was just deadly. So I'm gonna fish for maybe an hour and a half or so and see if I can get into another fish. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you down there. All right, I'm gonna approach this slow. It is, now that we've got some sun out, the water levels are low, it's clear, fish are gonna be spooky. Fortunately, I got some shade over here, which I think fish might be a little more likely. Also, there's a fish rose right there. But with the shade, I think it just, fish feel a little safer. So I'm gonna try to stay back here, see if I can sneak this fly over where it needs to be, have a chance at that fish. Ooh, I like that shot. Oh, I had him and then I put it in the tree. Oh, crap. I got lucky. I get my little caddisfly back, but he totally ate it. Dang. I had that fish. Oh, you. There are more fish rising. You kind of see the evidence there. Here. So I'm gonna stay back as far as I can anyway. Trying to get it over, right there. Not quite on the line that I'd like to be at. It's not what I intended to catch. I'm tying on a little purple haze. See if that works. See it? Got lots of fish rising up here now. So at least I have a target. Oh, look at that. The purple haze. I thought they were bigger. Look at that, I caught a little baby trout. Little baby brown trout. You zoom in on it so you can see it. On the purple haze. No, same tree. broke me off again. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clear out this hole of all the shit that's on the bottom. Then I'll get to fishing. Now it's caught my line. That's what happens when you forget your tripod.